If you are working in education, Moodle needs no introduction. This course management system has been here since the digitalization of education, but the same as education, technology advances. And that raises the question, has Moodle become obsolete? Today we will discuss Moodle's limitations and whether it's adequate for today's educational needs. We also examine how Moodle's limitations create additional cost and challenges that influence the learning experience of both students and faculty. Let's start with outdated UI, which is a major user complaint. Moodle's UI is often criticized for being overly complicated, and its old appearance might not be what pleases a younger user. Not only does it seem bad, but it may demotivate instructors and students. Moodle's performance suffers as the number of students increases, and while it's easy to set up, adding extra functions and tools will generate extra costs and may be complicated to integrate. Next, there is a high learning curve. Moodle has many features, but mastering them might be difficult. Elements like the workshops Moodle are hard to use without introduction for collaborative learning. This high learning curve can frustrate instructors and administrators, reducing their effectiveness. A large number of users also don't like poor support and documentation. Like many open source solutions, Moodle mostly relies on community help. While the Moodle community is glad to help and the documentation is substantial, more complicated matters might not be that easy to solve without an expert. Finally, there are functional deficiencies. Users identified numerous missing features that restrict Moodle usefulness. For instance, the gradebook is complicated but lacks video conferencing and advanced data visualization. The only way to solve it is to use a specific extension or third-party interface. Integrating external solutions for fundamental functionality is a problem that creates additional costs that could have been easily avoided. Now, let's take as an example an innovative online institution in Slovenia that wanted to provide an excellent education. The college decided to integrate Moodle because of its open source nature and that low initial fee. The decision was based on the idea that the PHP-based solution should be easily adjusted by the colleagues' IT department. Well, if you think everything was a piece of cake for them, sure, it wasn't a tasty one. As a result of using Moodle, they came across unexpected issues and found out that their IT department wasn't ready for the workload that open source software brings. Most students had problems with the user dashboard, and the IT department struggled to find enough information to adjust everything for the Slovenian and Balkan markets. The college primarily targeted. Professors and students need help uploading assignments, accessing course materials, and engaging in forums. There were training courses that took up time and resources, but even after the training was completed, people had problems with using the platform. After the user requested reach a high number, the college decided to start using external IT support. A detailed cost-benefit analysis showed that administering Moodle resulted in higher external expenses than a paid LMS commission. The institution decided to find a more user-friendly and intuitive LMS, and they chose a paid LMS called Blackboard. Using a premium LMS provided support and documentation. This helped them adjust the platform according to their specifications and business needs. This shows why it's important to have an LMS that fits your business needs and why considering a custom LMS can be a better solution for your educational institution or company. What do you think about the story of this university? Could they do something differently? Let us know in the comments below how you would approach this case. Apart from Blackboard, one of the most mentioned alternatives in the Moodle versus more user-friendly LMS topics is Canvas. When comparing Moodle to Canvas, the first thing that you can notice is its user-friendly design. A clean dashboard and structure make finding courses, assignments, and conversations simple. Canvas's choice of various educational tools and apps makes it stand out. It also offers simplified assignment submission and use due date checks, so every student can adjust their schedule according to their workload. So, if you are curious to find out what strategies big companies use to engage their learners, especially adults, be sure to check out our video. You can simply click here. But coming back to our topic. Custom LMS as an alternative. Why? It can be particularly made for your needs. Ready-to-go solutions are often cheaper and can be used instantly, but you are selling an educational service, and to do it right, it must have all the features your specific business needs. When you are creating a custom LMS, you can control every detail, from the design to a single course option. Moreover, you can also implement advanced technology like AI, which can create customized learning paths that enhance user engagement. Custom LMS offer the best customization and scalability, crucial for educational organizations that want to grow. Are there other benefits? We can point out adaptability, security, easy integration, personal branding or support. But the most crucial is the cost effectiveness in the long run. Although initially more expensive, it can save you money over time by avoiding licensing fees and feature upgrades. So, what can you do if you are facing similar issues? Here are a few practical tips that can help you overcome the challenges associated with using Moodle. First up, let's consider third-party solutions. Did you know that there are tons of plugins and tools out there that can really boost what LMS can do? For instance, you can add the Big Blue Button plugin for advanced web conferencing features, great for virtual classes. Or, if you are worried about plagiarism, Turnitin integration is a game changer for keeping things honest. Next, let's talk about external support services. Sometimes you need a bit of extra help to get things just right. That's where specialized Moodle support comes in. Dedicated companies are pros at dealing with technical issues, handling customizations and keeping everything up to date. And don't forget about consultants. Bringing in LMS consultant can really make a difference. They have the expertise to optimize your Moodle setup, improving performance and user experience. It's like having a Moodle superhero on your team. And if that's not what you are looking for, you can always think about alternative LMS options. One of the examples is Canvas, known for its user-friendly interface and huge feature set. It offers seamless integration with various tools and has highly intuitive design that can enhance user experience. Another example is Blackboard. This platform is popular in higher education and corporate training environments. It provides a comprehensive set of features for managing courses, assessments, and students' interactions, along with strong support services. And a cherry on top of cake is a custom LMS solution. If your project has specific needs or ambitious growth plans, this option will ensure you have all the features and integrations you need. We have seen that Moodle may no longer satisfy current learning demands. Issues with user interface, scalability, customization, integration and support may negatively impact businesses and educational institutions. But there is a way to save money in the long run with the LMS that fits your needs. Subscribe to our channel for more educational technology insights and digital learning trends. Also, click the link below to take a look at our EdTech report. This report enables the comparison of your company against others in the EdTech industry. Thank you for watching and see you next time.